had to have a very large cyst removed from my ovary, about this large. You're into cysts. Okay, that's cool. And I wasn't sure if I'd ever have kids, so I named him Carlos. But with a K. So I had to have Carlos removed. And beforehand, I had to have an MRI. Clap for me if you've ever had an MRI test. Yeah, okay. So you know, it's like the loudest test ever. And when you look at an MRI like film, it's not like an X-ray. It doesn't show everything. It's like a slice. Like you cut yourself in half and you're like looking at half of you, okay? So my doctor puts it up there and she says, so inside that inside oval, that's all your bones and muscles and organs and everything, okay? And, all that stuff on the outside, that's just fat. That's just a whole lot of fatty fat. I mean, look at that skinny woman in there just dying to get out. I said, yeah, I know she's in there. I ate her. She's digesting. Thank you guys so much. You're going to have a great night. I'm Emily Richmond.